Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload a video on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. After go to YouTube, you'll find on top right corner here is the plus icon with video sign. Video camera sign. Just click on this or create. Then you'll find here upload video. Go here. Then you'll find this window, small window. You have to just click on select files. So select file from your computer, any file you can upload, that's up to you. Just choose, like I want to upload this one. Okay, clicking here. Okay, it is uploading, you can see. Now you have to complete this whole thing. Like what are you gonna title your video? Just write here anything, that's up to you. Description here, video description. Or if I can change this title, you can see here the title name, sorry. Then you can put your description here. Hi, this is a informational video, like this. Then you'll find here playlist. If you want to make playlist, click there. Okay, here's the playlist, you can create from here. Then you'll find here, if your video is underage, you can select this one. Yes, it's underage or it's made for kids. Or if you want to, if you don't, just make it no. Then just click on age restriction advanced. If it is age restriction, then you have to just click on this yes or no. Okay, it is not, that's why I'm saying no. Now click on next. Now you can find here video elements, and all of the elements will be here. Import and screen, you can import screen from here or add cards. If you don't have, click on next. Finally check the video again, and visibility. What should be the visibility when you publish the video? It should be private, unlisted or public. I'm making it private. Just choose according to you. Now click on save. Done, your video is published. Processed up to 7 minutes. Okay, so guys, it will be uploaded within 7 minutes. So guys, this is how you can do it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.